Look at my pretty little princess. I hope y'all are having a good morning and wonderful day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But look at the pretty little princess. I know I ain't been posting that much. She's been sick here lately. Took her down to the vet. She got shots. And apparently she's just a really picky eater. So now she's on a diet from the vet. Because she was, I think, like a half a pound or a pound underweight. Just my good princess. Yeah. Yeah, she is. Little good princess. She's not liking the medicine in her food, though. Just needs some coffee. Yep. That's all she needs is some coffee.